Hey guys, it is Maddie, and today we're fixing the slime that I just made like 2 seconds ago. And I posted that, so go look at that video. You know, it's terrible, but warning, it's cringy, but hilarious. So, no, this is not my drink. No, I'm not putting this on my body. This is hot water. This is lotion. My favorite kind. So, we're going to be adding it into this horrible slime that just fell. Okay. So, first, so let's get started to the video. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of water. Okay. That was not a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah. It doesn't stretch, so how do I add water and mix it? Oh, Lordy. Hi. Oh, it smells good. Okay, so while we're waiting, I can show you one thing I got for Christmas. Yeah. This is horrible lighting. So, you already know. I have a gymnastics beam. Yeah. And a trampoline. But y'all don't know that I got something very, very light. You can make a fort with it and everything. And who doesn't want a fort? I got a gymnastics beam. How does it feel? A gymnastics beam. Well, that didn't work. Okay, well, at least it did that. It is pink on the bottom. That was this one upside down. There we go, I kicked it. It's a gymnastics beam. And I'm not on level floor, so it's very hard. And of course it folds. You already know that. So, the slime should be ready. Okay, this is definitely ready. Almost all of the color went out. Nah. Never mind. Yeah, never mind. Ew. So, when I squeeze this till it blends in, okay. It keeps on falling out of my hands, so. Okay. Now it's time for the villain. Yeah, for the villain be Noel. Yeah. For the vanilla be Noel, my favorite kind of lotion. Into the slime. Of course, I have my own 2 bottles, but I got this one especially. for slime for Christmas. See, it's getting better already. Okay, this one's cringy too. So, you know. Okay. Yeah, this is not getting better. I need hot water, so this is turning cold. So, you know. Oh, there we go. I forgot to roll my sleeves off. Oh, now I can't, So how water works is you squeeze the activator out because it all comes out. And now this isn't staying together. But as long as you mix. So, make sure to subscribe to my channel and comment down below what I should do next. If you know what I mean. Yeah. So, make sure to subscribe, you know. Hit the notification bell down below. And smash that like button. So, yeah, you know, this is getting way better. Like, I totally fixed it, and I'm not being sarcastic. It sounded like I was. Okay. Like, I'm just gonna try to fix it even more. Okay, there's like so much water on the table. Like, it's crazy. Crazy. Not crazy. Crazy. You know, guess what? We will go. Fine. My dog. Let's go. So, this is turn. Is Piper in here? Is Piper in here? Yeah, she's upstairs. Okay. Come here. Come on. Okay, well, she doesn't want to calm down. She's coming. She got up. Come on, Dizzy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Dizzy. Come on. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey to YouTube. She wants me. Oh, my ear, baby. Come back, my sister. Come back. Yeah. My Good. Say hey. Say hey. Okay, yeah. So. Okay. She gets hyper down here. I don't know if you can see her, but she is. So I have to let that sit for a minute. See? Oh, I did the ASMR right. Now, this is how you do it. Now, this is how you do it. Get like this. Get like this. Get like this. Go. Yep, that's how you do it right. All of you are going like, no. No. Well, all of you that like some. Okay. So I got the lotion back. Somehow, I think it came to me because it loves me. It loves slime. So I just put it in. And, okay, this slime is like, right. Okay, we're having some technical difficulties, so. Okay, this slime is fixed. I'm literally putting fixed. We'll put this in slow mo. Just kidding. I did the first thing. Okay, so this slime is fixed. That was just a success. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Never mind. I didn't say that. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time, bye. Ow. 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 That was Phil. Okay, so, bye. Okay, I have to do it the normal way.